Hello, Finovate. I'm Nick Chandy, co-founder and CEO of ForwardAI. I've been working in the accounting industry for over 20 years. I have built one of the largest IT consulting firm in Canada that was providing IT services to accountants and bookkeepers, and we had a successful exit around 2 years ago. And now we are building this very exciting technology, delivering accounting, commerce, and other business data through a single API to the banks and financial institutions. We believe this technology is going to change how the small business lending will be done tomorrow. I'm also going to demo PreciseMatch, a revolutionary tech that we built that can completely automate and speed up small business lending. We have made very simple and easy for small businesses to share their accounting data with, with their bank or other financial institutions. The process can be automated through an API, or it could be manual, as you can see on your portal here. As soon as a request is sent to a small business to share their data with the bank, they click on a link, they select the accounting solution they use. Let's assume they use QuickBooks Online. They enter their login ID and password for QuickBooks and agree to share data with you. As soon as they share the data, their company will appear in your partner portal. Let's look at how the data looks like. Just be aware, once they share the data with you, that the connection stays continuous and the data refresh happens automatically at the back end on the predefined interval that a bank can decide on. We can see this business has been operational for over 3 years. We can see they have a lot of invoices and bills that we have seen many lenders requesting often for their small business borrowers to verify the authenticity of the businesses. And we can download them, all of them, with one click here. We bring all this raw data. The screen that we are looking at is the raw data screen. It's coming straight from the source. All the financial statement commonly requested by the bank, they are available here. AR, AP, balance sheet, P&L, all this is available in the real time here. One thing about us is we deliver very, very deep data. Accounting data is context rich, but the depth of data is making us very different here. So what I mean by that is we not only get data on the customers, but we also get the deep insights on the customers as well. We can see how this customer, Aaron Patterson, is compared with the Adam Barry and other customers. So this kind of data could be very valuable for lenders who are on the invoice financing or asset-based lending or account receivable-based lending. So it's a very, very deep data that we deliver here. We take all this data, we feed it to our machine learning and AI engine to predict how the cash flow and hundreds of other data points are looking like they're going to look like tomorrow, next week, in 3 months, up to 1 year. So other data points that we deliver, they are like income, gross profit, sales trend, expenses trend, how customers are changing. Here, the screen we are looking here is a short-term cash flow, where the income is coming from, who are the customers, those kind of things. And we are also working on a solution that a bank can offer to their small business clients, a cash flow forecasting solution where they can do scenario planning, and the bank can offer them targeted marketing solutions here. So let's take a minute to talk about our PreciseMatch solution. A common problem that is faced by most lenders is that they love accounting data, but accounting data can be manipulated. Even though it is context rich, we can see what's happening with each transaction, but it could be something fraudulent there. On the other hand, banking data is trusted, it's immutable, and here our technology fetch all the bank, credit card, and loan account for you, and you can request access to that data. You can also see what other financial relationship they are having today. And once they provide you access to the bank data, so now we have accounting data as well as the banking data. We cross-validate each accounting transaction with what shows up in the bank. We can see there are more than 700 transactions that we couldn't find any match worth 156K. Let's see how they look like. So we can see there are many transactions in the accounting system that there's no record of them in the bank, and there are some transactions that haven't been reconciled. That's the simplest explanation I can see. But here, an underwriter will need to talk to the client to make sure the books are fully reconciled. We not only stop there, we find we go and we look deeply at each transaction and provide them a confidence score, how confident we are in that transaction based on the date, amount, contact name, and the context around each description. We have seen many times that a transaction shows up in accounting data as well as the banking data, but they might be fraudulent, and our technologies very intelligently predict all those outlier and suspicious transactions so that your team can look at the data with a magnifying glass and do further investigation. Eh, At the end, I would like to share we have very deep data on every small business that is connected through our system, and we can completely automate and speed up your small business lending through our PreciseMatch technology, our upcoming solution that a bank can offer to their clients that will improve the engagement, that will improve the loyalty. If you are interested in any of these, please come and talk to us in our booth, visit our website, forwardai.com, or email us at sales@forwardai.com. Thank you all and talk to you soon.